Namaskaram and good evening, one and all. I am Shragvi Kalluri and I am your host for the evening. On behalf of Nrityopachara Dance School and Srimati Rashmi and Sri Sridhar, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you for Rishika's Bharatanatyam Arangetram. A brief introduction to Bharatanatyam. Natat Jnanam, Natat Shilpam, Nasa Vidya, Nasa Kala, Nasa Yogo, Natat Karman, Natye Asmin, Yanna Drishyate. There's no knowledge, jnana, there's no craft, shilpa, there's no science, vidya, there's no art, kala, there's no yoga or action, karma, that does not fall within the purview of performing arts, natya, says Bharata in his Natya Shastra. Bharatanatyam is one such ancient dance form originated in southern India in the state of Tamil Nadu. It started as a temple dance tradition called Dasiyattam or Sadir 2000 years ago and is perhaps the most advanced and evolved dance form of all the classical Indian dance forms. In early 19th century, the four famous and great musicians, Natuvanars, dancers, poets of Tanjore, namely Chinnaya, Ponnaya, Shivanandam and Vadivelu, have created and propagated the present format of Bharatanatyam recitals from the traditional Sadir Natya or Dasiyattam. The name Bharatanatyam is a simple derivation from the four most important aspects of dance. These are Bha from Bhava, meaning emotion, Ra from Raga, meaning music or melody, Ta from Tala, meaning rhythm, and Natyam, meaning dance. Thus, Bharatanatyam is the dance that encompasses music, rhythm, and expressional dance or abhinaya and strictly adheres to the Natya Shastra. We are here to witness the Arangetram or maiden recital of Rishika. Arangetram is the debut on-stage performance of a student of Indian classical dance and music. The first performance follows multiple years of training. The word Arangetram is from the Tamil language and means ascending the stage by a dancer on the completion of formal training. We will start today's program with the traditional lighting of the lamp. I request Rishika's parents to invite the guests of the day to the dais for the auspicious lighting of the lamp. We have with us today Srimati Pavani Srilata, eminent Kuchipudi dancer and guru, and Srimati Rupa MV, Deputy Project Director, Chandrayaan 3. I also request Rishika's grandmother, Lakshmi Narsamma Garu, to join us for the lighting of the lamp. Parents of Rishika would also like to welcome Dr. Sridhara Garu BS, Dr. Sridhara BS, Principal Ayush Department Karnataka, Dr. Venkatesh G, Sitar Artist, Satish Gottipati, Managing Director, Preka Solutions India Private Limited, Dr. Lakshmi Devi Appasani, Dr. Sridhara BS, Principal Ayush Department Karnataka, Satish Gottipati, Managing Director, Preka Solutions India Private Limited. Dr. Venkatesh G, sitar artist. Dr. Lakshmi Devi Appasani, gynecologist and surgeon, Rainbow Hospital, Hyderabad. Rishika opens the recital with a traditional Pushpanjali, followed by a Ganesh Kirtanam in Raga Tillang, a composition of Mysore Sadashivarao. Pushpanjali is an introductory composition where the dancer offers flowers, pushpa, as an offering to the divine, seeking blessings for the performance. It is a devotional dance often performed at the beginning of a Bharatanatyam concert and serves as a salutation to the Lord of Dance, Nataraja, the Guru, and the audience. This is followed by a Ganesha Kirtanam in Ragam Tillang, a composition of Mysore Sadashivarao. The poet says, "O the Lord of Vignas, Vigneshwara, I bow to thee. You are an ocean of compassion. The son of the Lord Shiva, who adorns the Ganges on his head. You remove evil and fear from us. O the one prayed by the three worlds and adorned with good qualities, you are the pious one with an elephant head." Ladies and gentlemen, Pushpanjali, followed by Ganesh Kirtana.
गजाननं 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 भूत गणादि सेवितं कपित्थ जम्भो फलसार भक्षितं कुमारसुतं शोक विनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजं पादपङ्कजं श्री विघ्नेश्वरा पाहि दया सागरा श्री विघ्नेश्वरा पाहि दया सागरा गंगाधर कुमार भक्तजनोद्धारक और सिद्धि विनायक भक्तजनोद्धारक प्रथम पूजनीय सदा करुणारूप वरदा प्रथम पूजनीय सदा करुणारूप वरदा विघ्नेश पाहि दया सागर गंगाधर कुमार दुरित भयहरा श्री विघ्नेश्वर श्री विघ्नेश्वर श्री विघ्नेश्वर गंगाधर कुमार
Before moving on to the next piece, I'd like to introduce Rishika's guru, Srimati Praveena Vadapalli. Srimati Praveena Vadapalli is a B high-grade artist accredited by Doordarshan Kendra. She began her training in Bharatanatyam under the guidance of Natyachara late Sri Avasarala Rukmaji Rao in Vishakhapatnam. After a brief hiatus, she resumed her dance journey under the tutelage of Srimati Mrudula Anand and later came under the mentorship of Srimati Madhavi Maralapudi. Together, Praveena and Srimati Madhavi have collaborated on several joint choreographic works. Driven by her deep passion for Bharatanatyam, Praveena pursued formal education in the art form, completing a postgraduate degree from Shastra University in 2013, followed by another from the University of Hyderabad in 2019. She has also trained in Karanas under Padma Vibhushan Dr. Padma Subramaniam. Currently, she is learning Natuvangam from Vidwan D.V. Prasanna Kumar and Abhinaya from Dr. Anupama Kailash. Praveena has performed on several prestigious platforms both in India and abroad. An engineer by qualification, she spent 15 years in the corporate sector working with multinational IT firms such as Mindtree and Deloitte before making a conscious shift to her true calling, dance. In 2015, she founded Nrityopachara, her own dance school of Bharatanatyam. As a certified yoga teacher, Praveena integrates yoga into her training, enabling her students to develop flexibility, balance, and posture, vital elements in dance. Students of Nrityopachara appear for graded examinations under Akhila Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya Mandal and certification exams through Potti Sriramulu Telugu University. A strong advocate for Indian classical arts, Praveena believes that Bharatanatyam offers a deeper understanding of culture and values. As a trustee of Bharatiya Kala Samskruti, she conducts dance recitals under the banner Nrityam Samarpayami to promote emerging artists. To date, this platform has hosted 15 recitals featuring over 50 performers. We now move on to the next piece of today's recital, the Kautvam. The Kautvam refers to a specific type of ancient devotional hymn or song in classical Indian dance forms like Bharatanatyam. Kautvam is an invocatory item in Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi recitals. It is a hymn, a song of devotion in praise of a deity. It was performed by the Devadasis as a part of their daily rituals or on special occasions or during the festivals. Traditionally, there are Panchamurti Kautvams in praise of Ganesha, Subramanya, Natesha, Andal, and Kali, and the Navasandhi Kautvams in praise of the lords of the 9 directions. All of them are composed by Gangaimuttu Natuvanar. Today's Kautvam is in praise of Kali, again a composition of Gangaimuttu Natuvanar in Ragam Gaula, Talam Adi in Khandagati. The lyrics of the song go like this. O the goddess Kali, sage Patanjali and Vyagrapada, watch you dance gracefully. Nandi plays the mridangam, making sounds ta tom. Narada sings for you. The sun and the moon dance along with you as you dance in tune to the 108 talams mentioned by Bharata, which have the components Laghu, Dhrutam, Anudhrutam, Guru, Plutam, and Kakapadam. The Adisesha and the Tandu dance along with you, and the gods chant in praise of you. O the goddess Kali, manifested in Tillai, Chidambaram, this is a poem, Kautvam, in praise of you. Ladies and gentlemen, Rishika next presents Kali Kautvam, Ragam Gaula, Talam Adi in Khandagati. Let me take a moment to introduce the artist for the day. Rishika. Rishika Sridhar is a 11th grade BPC student at Sri Chaitanya Junior College with a strong academic foundation and a deep rooted passion for Bharatanatyam. Her journey in classical dance began at the tender age of 6 under the guidance of her guru, Srimati Praveena Vadapalli. Since then, Rishika has performed on several prestigious platforms across Hyderabad, including Shilpa Ramam, Annamayapuram, Kalinga Cultural Trust, BVB Auditorium, various community festivals, and the Nrityopachara annual shows. Notably, she was a part of the revered Sri Ramuni Charitramu. Rishika's dedication to Bharatanatyam is reflected in her academic accomplishments in the art. She has successfully completed Praveshika Purna examination in Bharatanatyam from Akhila Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya Mandal. Her artistic interests extend well beyond dance. Rishika has been learning recorder and piano since the age of 6, showcasing her musical versatility. She is also deeply passionate about martial arts, having trained in karate and Okinawan martial arts since the age of 5. A black belt holder, she has earned multiple gold, silver, and bronze medals in national level competitions, including the Sports for All SFA tournaments. Rishika is also a budding visual artist. Since the age of 8, she has pursued painting, with several of her works selected for display in various online exhibitions and art competitions, earning medals and certificates of recognition. Additionally, she has completed 2 years of swimming training at Gachibowli Stadium. Her leadership qualities shine through her selection as a student council member at school. She actively participates in social service as a volunteer with Sparsh Hospice through the Rotary Club. Rishika also attended the Young Doctor Camp conducted by Yashoda Hospital, gaining valuable insights into the medical profession, and has attended several MUNs. Rishika Sridhar is a multifaceted and an accomplished young individual who seamlessly blends her academic ambitions, artistic passions, athletic achievements, and a strong sense of social responsibility. Coming back to the recital, Rishika next presents the centerpiece of the evening, the Varnam. In Bharatanatyam, a Varnam is a central and a complex dance piece, often performed as a main feature. It is a demanding piece that tests the dancer's stamina, technique, and ability to improvise and alternate between pure dance and abhinaya. Varnam is borrowed from Carnatic music and consists of 2 main parts, Purvanga and Uttaranga. Purvanga contains Pallavi, the main lyrical part of the song, Anupallavi, a verse that follows the Pallavi, and Muktayaswaram, sung using syllables or swaras followed with Sahitya in Padavarnams. Uttaranga contains Charanam, a section with lyrical content, and Charanaswarams, a section with musical swaras followed by corresponding Sahitya. Jatis are interspersed after every line to break the monotony of the lyrics, with the Trikala Jati being the highlight. Trikala Jati is a Jati rendered in 3 different speeds: slow, medium, and fast. The dominant rasa generally in a Varnam is either Shringara or Bhakti. Today's Varnam, set in the beautiful raga of Khamas, Samini Rammanavi, is a composition of Tanjore quartet in Aditalam. Dominant rasa is Shringaram, love or romance. This is a conversation between the Naika and the Sakhi, the heroine and her friend. The Naika pleads the friend to become her messenger and go call him as she is suffering pangs of separation. She adds, saying, "He is no ordinary man, none can compare to my beloved. Yet my beauty and grace surpass all others. In this world, I am the most fitting companion for him. O revered and celebrated one of the earth, mighty Brihadishwara of Tanjavur, now is the time to fulfill my desires and unite in love. O dear friend, I cannot bear this separation any longer. I yearn to converse with the love of my life with dignity. It is the perfect moment to meet my charming beloved. I pine for him. Won't you bring him to me by any means necessary? My heart has beheld his enchanting beauty, igniting a passionate desire within me. So I beseech him to come meet me without delay. I know that he is the chosen one, so ask him to cease his playful antics and let him unite in love with me. The time for lovemaking is now." In the Uttaranga, the second half of the Varnam, she says, "Hear me, I implore you. Rave na mata vinu. The Cupid has been harsh on me. As he has been constantly shooting the flower arrows, I cannot tolerate the suffering any further. The Manmada Sainyam, the army of the Cupid, has been attacking me. As the bees are buzzing, Cuckoos are cooing, and as the parrots are chirping, my heart is agitated. Oh Sakhi, hear me, I implore you. Rave na matavinu, samini rammanave Sakhiyaro. Ladies and gentlemen, the Varnam, Ragam Khamas, a composition of the Tanjore Quartet.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Samini
ನೀ ಸಖಿಯರು ಸಖಿಯರು
ಧಳ್ಳಂಗು 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 ದಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ದಕ್ಕ ತತ್ತಿ ಗಿಣ್ಣತ್ತು ಸೀನುತ್ತ ತತ್ತಿ ವಿಧಾತ ಜಂ ಕಿಡ್ತಗ ಜಂತ 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 ನಂತ ಜಂತ ರುಂತ ಜಂತ ದಿಂತ ತತ್ತಿ ಮಿತ್ತ ಗಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಾಹತ ಜಂ ಕಿಡ್ತಗ ಜಂತ 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 ನಂತ ಜಂತ ರುಂತ ಜಂತ ದಿಂತ ದೀನುತ್ತ ತತ್ತಿ ವಿಧಾತ ಜಂತ ಜಂತ ನಂತ ರುಂತ ತತ್ತಿ ಗಿಟ್ಟ ತತ್ತಿ ಮಿತ್ತ ಗಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಾಹತ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತಣ್ಣಂ ತರು ತದಿಮ್ಮಿ ಗಿಟ್ಟ ದೀನು ದಿಮ್ಮಿತ್ತ ಗಿಟ್ಟ ತಾ ದಿಮ್ಮಿತ್ತ ಗಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಾ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಗಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಾ ಗಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಾ ದೀನು ದಿಮ್ಮಿತ್ತ ಗಿಟ್ಟ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ಗಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ರಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿತ್ತ ತರಗಿಡ್ತೋಂ ದಿತ್ತ ತರಗಿಡ್ತೋಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿತ್ತ ತರಗಿಡ್ತೋಂ
ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ದೋರ ಸಖಿಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಪೂರ್ತಿ
ಧರುಡುತ್ತ ಝಣುತ್ತ ದಿಮ್ಮಿತ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಳ್ಳಂಗು ದಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ದಕ್ಕ ತತ್ತಿ ಗಿಣ್ಣತ್ತು ತರಿತ್ತ ಧಣ್ಣ 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 ದ ಜನು 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 ದ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ಧಣ್ಣ 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 ದ ಜನು 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 ದ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ
ಸೊಗಸು ಜೋಚಿನೆ ಕನಿಕರಂ ಮರುಲೈತಿ ವಿನೋವಾ ನೀ ಸೊಗಸು ಜೋಜಿನೆ ಕನಿಕರಂ మరులైతి విను ఉల్లాసము సల్లాపము ముద్దుల సొంపులేలే చాలా గనుడే ఉల్లాసము సల్లాపము ముద్దుల సొంపులేలే చాలా గనుడే ప్రతి విరాల సరసాలను అతని దోరావళిక జనగను కలయుట సమయమే సామిని రమణవే సఖియా సఖియరో సఖియరో వేణు రావే నా మాట వేణు రావే నా మాట
గుదక తదింగిన తోం తాం తద్దిత్తాం తద్దిత్తాం దిత్తాం తాం కిడతక తిరుగుతాం తాం కిడతక తిరుగుతాం తాం కిడతక తిరుగుతాం
రావే నా మాట వేణు రావే నా మాట వేణు రావే నా మాట వేణు విరిబాణముయదపై ఇక దురుసుగా వేయగను చెలియదో వేదాళ విరిబాణముయదపై ఇక దురుసుగా వేయగను చెలియదో వేదాళ విరిబాణముయదపై ఇక దురుసుగా వేయగను చెలియదో వేదాళ రావే మెదలు అతి మోయగ కోకిలలును కూయను సదా చిలుకలును కలకలమని పలుకగ మనసు వెదరె మెదలు అతి మోయగ కోకిలలును కూయను సదా చిలుకలును కలకలమని పలుకగ మనసు వెదరె మెదలు అతి మోయగ కోకిలలును కూయను సదా చిలుకలును కలకలమని పలుకగ మనసు వెదరెదావే
That was a beautiful, soothing, and yet taxing Varnam. Big round of applause for the beautiful Varnam. As Rishika prepares for the second half of her recital for today, we will have a short sitar performance by Dr. Venkatesh Ji, disciple of Dr. Jayant Kumar Das. Dr. Venkatesh Ji is a professor and head of computer science and engineering at East West Engineering College. With 28 years of teaching experience and a PhD in artificial intelligence and machine learning, he has published extensively many technical research papers in reputed national and international journals. A multifaceted personality, Dr. Venkatesh is also a professional nature photographer, a critic, and a writer in Kannada literature and actively involved in short film and documentary production. His deep passion for Indian classical music led him to pursue the sitar under the guidance of Guru Dr. Jayant Kumar Das, an All India Radio A grade artist. He holds a Visharad degree in sitar from Prachin Kala Kendra and continues to explore instruments like Rudravina and Surbahar. Since 2022, he has performed solo at venues including Ravindra Kalakshetra and participated in ensemble events with his guru. On June 21st, 2025, he was part of Guru's group sitar performance of Vande Mataram dedicated to the Indian Armed Force on the occasion of the Yoga Day celebrations at Palace Grounds, Bangalore. Let us welcome Dr. Venkatesh Ji and enjoy the soulful beauty of his sitar performance.
Good evening, everybody. My sincere pranams to my Guruji, Dr. Jayant Kumar Das, and thanks to Rashmi as well as Sridhar for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to play the sitar. Today, in this auspicious occasion and is the evening, I would like to recite an evening raga Yaman with a small alap, and in the Drutgat I'll play Yaman rag Yaman now. This was Rag Yaman. Now I would like to play one more song that is a famous song, Alubela. It is in Ahir Bhairav. With this, I would like to conclude with one more song, a simple Jai Jagadishwara in Keharwa. A simple song. I conclude with that song. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Performance. Thank you so much. I'd like to introduce our chief guest for the evening, Srimati Pavani Srilata. Srimati Pavani Srilata is an accredited B-grade artist by Doordarshan Kendra. She has learned the art from Srimati Padmanjali, Sri Uday Kant, Srimati Renuka, and Dr. Sri Bhagavatalu Sethuram, retired professor of Kuchipudi dance in Pottishi Ramalu Telugu University. She has completed MA Kuchipudi dance from Pottishi Ramalu Telugu University with distinction and 2 gold medals. She also has a certificate in Kuchipudi dance from Pottishi Ramalu Telugu University and is currently pursuing PhD in Kuchipudi dance from the same. Other than dance, academically, she has completed MA English from SV University, Tirupati. So far, 100 plus students have completed certificate course and 50 plus students completed diploma course under her tutelage. She has conducted Ranga Pravesham for 5 students. She has choreographed numerous ballets and solo items. Krishnaveni Vaibhavam, a ballet on the holy river Krishna, and presented it during Krishna Pushkarams in 2016. Mahan Bharatottam, a bunch of 10 Sanskrit slokas penned by Dr. Pullela Sriramachandrudu Garu on the greatness of our country, are a couple of ballets she choreographed in addition to 20 plus solo items. She has also written books like Nritya Siddhanta Prabodhini, a book on the certificate course being conducted by Sri Pottishi Ramalu Telugu University, Hyderabad. This is written in both Telugu and English. Role of women in Kuchipudi dance in a souvenir brought out by Srimati Vaijayanti Kasi, Shambhavi School of Dance, Bengaluru. Kuchipudi Natya Satapatramu, a book for diploma course. She was awarded Natya Kalanidhi, conferred by the Veda Center, Madurai. She, along with her students, have performed widely all over India. We are very delighted to have you amongst us today, ma'am. I would also like to introduce Srimati Rupa MV. Srimati Rupa MV is a pioneering scientist at the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, with over 27 years of experience in spacecraft operations, mission planning, and health analysis. She holds a BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering and an MTech in Computer Science Engineering, blending cross-disciplinary expertise that has fueled her remarkable contributions to India's space missions. Currently, she serves as the Deputy Project Director of Chandrayaan 3, India's first successful lunar landing, and Group Director Navigation Systems Area, playing a key role in establishing India's indigenous global navigation and timing system. A respected academic voice, she contributes as an advisory board member at various engineering institutions in Bengaluru. She has published numerous research papers in national and international journals and regularly delivers technical talks at conferences. Passionate about inclusive education, she has authored several technical articles in Kannada to bridge the language gap for regional learners. Beyond science, Srimati Rupa is also a national level swimmer and kho player, embodying a spirit of discipline, teamwork, and resilience. Key contributions to ISRO missions include Chandrayaan 3, Deputy Project Director, leading operations for India's first successful soft lunar landing 2023, Mars Orbiter Mission Mangalyaan, Operations Director for India's first interplanetary mission 2013, Chandrayaan 2, Directed Operations for the lander and rover modules, SCATSAT, Deputy Project Director and Operations Director, Vital for Weather Predictions 2017, Cartosat 3, Overview High Resolution Earth Imaging Satellite Operations 2019, OceanSat 2, Prolonged Mission Life to over 12 years, Benefiting Fisheries and Weather Systems 2009, YouthSat, led collaborative satellite operations with Russian students 2011, SRE Re-entry Mission, Prime Controller for ISRO's first capsule re-entry mission 2007. She was promoted in 2022 as Deputy General Manager, Spacecraft Operations and Control Group, recognizing her exceptional technical leadership. Notable awards and honors include Laurel of Team Awards, International Academy of Astronautics, Milan for Chandrayaan 3, 2024, Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar, Team Award, conferred by the President of India 2024, ASI Gold Medal, Astronautical Society of India 2018, VTU Distinctive Women Scientist Award 2017, APJ Abdul Kalam Seva Prashasti Award 2024, Nari Narayani Award, Public TV, Mahila Manikya Award, News First TV, Hoysala Award, Hoysala Kannada Sangha, Mysuru, International Women's Day Award, Delhi Commission 2017, HR Pratibha Woman of Distinctive Vocation Award. Srimati Rupa MV continues to inspire generations of scientists and students through her relentless dedication, technical brilliance, and passion for empowering others. Her journey is a testament to the power of perseverance, innovation, and national pride.